Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how to empty your trash in Google Drive. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead to the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page in Google Drive where you will be able to see all the files that you have in your drive. As you can see here, I have my suggested files. Here I have all my folders where my files are grouped, and here I can just view my files that are not grouped anywhere. So guys, if you look at the left side of the screen, you will see that you have multiple options right here that you can use for managing your drive. I can see my drive, I can see what's shared with me, I can see my recent files, trash, and so on. So as you can see, here is an option called trash. I'm going to go ahead and open it, and as you can see, currently nothing is in my trash. So let's go back to my drive. Let's say I want to delete a file. I'm going to go ahead and delete any file I can find. I'm going to right click this file right here and then click remove. After clicking remove, guys, now as you can see, it says right here file moved to trash. So I'm going to go ahead back to the trash option right here at the left side of the screen, and now I can see all my files right here that I have moved to trash. So guys, how do you say, let's say that you have a lot of files right here and you want to empty it and you do not want them to be in your trash anymore, you want to remove them permanently. Well, what you can do, guys, is go right here into the upper right corner and find this button that says empty trash. So you're going to go ahead and click on empty trash, guys. After that, guys, just go ahead and click on delete forever, that you're sure you want to delete it. After that, guys, that file will be permanently deleted from your trash and from your drive. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.